The Lashbrook legacy began at the turn of the 21st century. After 14 years of working retail, Eric Laker saw a need for alternative metal wedding bands. Up until this point, gold was the only precious metal offered. In order to offer rings at various price points, he started working out of his own garage, making rings out of alternative metals. Slowly, his clientele grew. The number of metals offered increased. He was determined to make a custom product to fit anyone's custom budget, and he reached uncustomary success. Lashbrook's launch of titanium bands in 2000 coincided with that of Frederick Goldman. We were the first two companies to wholesale US-made titanium into the US jewelry market. Lashbrook was also one of the first companies to produce tungsten, cobalt chrome, and zirconium jewelry. We were the first to produce and wholesale carbon fiber, Damascus steel, and licensed camo. What started as a handful of styles finished in Eric's garage has now progressed to tens of thousands of SKUs, all of which are produced from scratch in a state-of-the-art facility located here in the US. The process is carefully handled by over 60 of the best technicians, artists, and customer service representatives in the industry. This market leadership has led to phenomenal expansion. In fact, 2013 marked Lashbrook's fourth straight year of growth in excess of 50%. At the same time, Eric continues to remember his roots, more specifically, his great-great-grandfather, for whom the company was named. Lashbrook Laker was born in 1835 and pushed a handcart over the Great Plains to Utah when he was 15. This example of fearlessness in the face of the unknown continues to inspire all those involved in the innovative process of overcoming preconceived limitations. That's why Lashbrook says yes to whatever your customers think up. Typically, the trend within the jewelry industry is to sell alternative metal bands that are manufactured overseas. But with overseas manufacturing comes limited options. And limited options force you to sell to your clients predetermined styles in limited sizes with no room for customization. This is where Lashbrook comes in to better satisfy your customers' needs. Lashbrook is set apart from the rest of the alternative metal manufacturers in the industry because we make 98% of our product in the USA. We have the talent, expertise, and technology to customize every ring we sell. We can customize the metal, millimeter width, design, finish, and inlay so you are virtually limitless. In addition to endless options and possibilities, here's how your Lashbrook line will simplify your business. 1. We simplify your business through options. With over 50,000 styles and the ability to customize, you can help your client find their dream ring. 2. We simplify your business by eliminating the need for multiple vendors. With only one vendor, you don't have to cherry pick from others to satisfy your customer. You write one check, order from one company, learn one warranty, and have one source for product knowledge. 3. We simplify your business by providing multiple price points. You no longer have to sell them plain titanium on the low end and solid gold on the high end. We have options for every price point. 4. We simplify your business by adding lifetime value to the customer. When someone buys something that is very meaningful, and perhaps they even help design, they will wear it proudly and be a walking referral for life. For anyone feeling a bit overwhelmed with so many options, we created the Tier 4 strategy. We combined our best-selling designs into 4 different buying options. Each tier contains the best-selling designs to meet the needs of your customer. Not only are all of the finishes and metals represented, but we have a variety of millimeter widths and sizes along with the option to switch anything into platinum or gold. The options are still endless, but the simplicity creates a level of manageability for any type of customer. A store can present a Tier 4 to their clients immediately or in stages. The 4 stages, or tiers, build one on top of the other. Many stores have recognized the value of a Tier 4 from the onset. A complete Tier 4 presentation has approximately 85 rings. These 85 rings represent best sellers, but more importantly, they're a dynamic assortment of the 50,000 designs that Lashbrook produces. Our goal is to have your customers mesmerized by the ease of finding such a vast variety of rings all in one place. Imagine their surprise when they learn those 85 styles represent thousands of other styles. Those 85 bands will allow you to be the reigning wedding band store in your area. Your client will create pieces that will inspire their friends to come see your selection. Word of mouth will be so strong that some couples will visit your store even before they purchase an engagement ring. It's only natural for clients to want a ring that represents their personality, and you won't find more personality than in a Tier 4 strategy from Lashbrook. Orders can be placed through phone, fax, or email. Be sure to be prepared with the style number, finish, and finger size when placing an order. Remember, we can change the millimeter width and finish on every ring, and we offer quarter sizes in all metals. As we take an order, we confirm the style, finish, finger size, ship date, and shipping address. After the order is confirmed, it is saved in the system. With over 50,000 styles, decoding style numbers can seem complicated. However, the process is simple. First, let us identify the metals used. Damascus steel. We have 5 Damascus steel patterns. Only the classic pattern starts as a round bar. The tiger, flat twist, zebra, and basket weave patterns come in this flat bar. Damascus steel is made by hammering 120 layers of 2 types of stainless steel. It is then twisted and folded to make unique patterns. No 2 Damascus steel rings are alike. Black zirconium. A finished piece of zirconium is typically black, but it is gray in its natural state. The zirconium bar is cut on the machines like our other metals before it is heat treated and blackened. Cobalt chrome. Cobalt chrome is a white, lustrous metal. It has a little heft when compared to titanium. Titanium. We use the aerospace grade of titanium, Ti6Al4V. Commercial grade titanium is typically used in the jewelry industry, but we prefer the added strength of the aerospace grade. Titanium is a lightweight, versatile metal. It's great for carving designs and setting stones. Now, let's use CC8D12/SS as an example of a style number. The first position in a style number is the metal. CC for cobalt chrome, D for Damascus steel, M for mochame, Z for zirconium, and no letter for titanium. The second position represents the millimeter width. The third position is the profile. F for flat, D for dome, B for bevel, FGE for flat with a grooved edge, and so on. See our style decoder in your binder for more profiles. The fourth position is divided into 2 parts. First, the number of grooves, and second, the millimeter width of those grooves. The fifth position is the inlay. If the ring has an inlay, there will be a slash followed by the material. If not, it means the groove is empty and will not have a slash in it. So for this example, we have a base metal of cobalt chrome, an 8mm width, a dome profile, one inlay that is 2 mm wide with an inlay made of sterling silver. Because we can do so many finishes, it is not included in the style number, so make sure to include that when placing the order. As for sizing, we have designed our own comfort fit sizing set and manufacture them in-house. The custom display is made from acrylic, which we cut on the mill. The aluminum lids are cut and finished by our finishing teams. The aluminum sizers are machined and then measured for accuracy. We measure with an allowance of only 2/1000ths of an inch to have the most accurate sizing available. After the sizes are checked, they are finished, laser engraved, and put into the display. Comfort fit comes standard on all Lashbrook rings, so it is important to size all of your clients with our Comfort Fit sizing set. If you have any questions, please refer to the decoder in your binder or give us a call. In January of 2013, Lashbrook started to implement lean manufacturing, commonly called the Toyota Production System. It involves eliminating waste, goal setting, visual controls, and managing process flow. Lean principles are important in everything we do. The ultimate goal of lean manufacturing is to reduce the lead time to the customer and increase quality standards. Lashbrook. Endless options, endless possibilities.